Tone Freaks, and welcome to another episode of Tone Quest, the Year Ender episode. I am Marco De Leon, here at the Mix Machine Studio. First of all, I want to thank you to everyone who stuck with us, even if we don't keep a consistent schedule in releasing our videos. It's been a crazy few months for us with our mixing and mastering and recording clients, our online training programs, and our equipment sales, as well as our live equipment rentals. As you know, it's gaining traction again, so yeah, we're just conforming to new normal standards with social distancing and whatnot. But yeah, so I apologize and I thank you for I've been seeing some new subscribers and some people who are commenting and sharing our videos. Thank you so much, guys. Rest assured, we'll be stacking a lot of videos for you to watch. That includes mixing and mastering tutorials, tutorials on how to mic drum sets, tutorials on how to mic acoustic guitars, tutorials how to mic your guitar cabs, tutorials how to record bass, and so on and so forth. Just a lot of great content for you guys coming this 2021. As some of you know, we've partnered with the best distributor of audio equipment here in the Philippines. We partnered with Hive Audio International, and as some of you know as well, we've been selling a lot of analog gear and a lot of great quality microphones online via the Mix Machine shop. So please check that out at the description below. Also check out Hive Audio International at the description below. So we've partnered with them, and we're very happy with the quality of equipment they've been bringing in. And as you can see here in my at this table right here, they brought in Heritage Audio, Manley Labs, of course, right here, and Lauten audio microphones, Royer microphones, Grace Design, Phoenix Audio. We also have audio interfaces from Evo 4 and Evo 8, and also new interfaces coming this 2021. And as promised, on this episode, we will be giving away a pair of JUMPERZ XLR microphone cables. All right, these are amazing cables. You got solid gold Nutric connectors and just an awesome build. Very quiet. All my cables right now are from JUMPERZ, and I can't go back to regular cables. JUMPERZ cables come with lifetime warranty. So if your cables break down on you, it will be replaced with no questions asked. Maybe some questions asked, like, oh, did you step on it? Did you throw it away? Did you know? Anyway, yup, lifetime warranty for you for these cables. How to join the raffle? Very simple. Subscribe to this channel first, like and share this video, and with the description that has a hashtag serious gear, hashtag Mix Machine Audio, and hashtag Hive Audio International, and take a screenshot of that and send it to mixmastersph@gmail.com. Again, send it to mixmastersph@gmail.com, and by Sunday I will look through all the screenshots and pick a random winner. It's gonna be random, so yeah, it's just gonna be random. And I will notify you if you won, and if I don't notify you, then you didn't win. Okay, and by Sunday, we will announce the winners on our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/mixmachineprod. So stay tuned, guys, and also like and share this video. Win a JUMPERZ cable. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on these cables. So if you're interested in upgrading your recording gear and you want to try out the equipment, come here to the Mix Machine Studio. Try out all the equipment here. We got equipment from Heritage, from Manley. We got the mics from Royer and from Lauten, even the Manley reference mic. So you can just try the quality of what this gear can do for you and for your studio, for your recordings. And also, if you want to upgrade your recording, mixing, and mastering skills, inquire about our online training programs. Every student of mine gets access to free consultation every day, all year round. Ask my students. They message me all the time. They bug me, but I really appreciate that they come to me for those consultations. Thank you guys. You guys know who you are. And to end this video, I'm going to master a song using the Manley NUMU stereo compressor. This is Marco Roboto for ToneQuest out here at the Mix Machine Studio.
Magbabagong tingin ko sa'yo, malayo ka man, nandito lang ako. Walang papantay sa iyo, sinta. Ikaw lamang, wala nang iba. Wala nang mas higit pa sa iyo. Ako'y hindi mawawalay. Ikaw lang ang liwanag sa dilim. Ikaw ang aking gabay. Babaliw ako sa boss mo pa lang, tapos na ako. Ikaw ba talaga ang para sa akin? Ako nang sasagot, wag nang isipin. Wala nang hinahanap dahil nandito ka sa akin. Sa lahat ng paghihirap, sulit naman sa'yo. Bagong tingin ko sa'yo, malayo ka man, nandito lang ako. Walang papantay sa iyo, sinta. Ikaw lamang, wala nang iba. Hindi magbabago. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo ay solido. Hindi magbabago. Mahal kita ng totoo. Nais ko